Good morning, my people. Good morning to my subscriber. Good morning, all the beautiful people out there in the world. Good morning to you all, man. Good morning. Hey, my people. Why, I was wondering if this rain that is on. We have a bad thunderstorm here, guys. A very bad thunderstorm. So I was wondering if this thunderstorm is only in Jamaica or just, Caribbean wild only. Yeah, man, because we have a bad storm here, my people. Lot of thunderstorm we have right now going on. Well, people, some thunder we are dropping. Me have to wonder where them coming from, man. These thunder powerful, my people. Yeah, the rain start fall again there. So people, we have a weather outbreak from the other day. Weather outbreak, so we've been wonder what's going on. So, we have to stay tuned to the news to watch the weather channel and know what's taking place in the world. But my people must keep safe, because when these rain fall, we have a lot of natural disasters. We have a lot of natural disasters when the rain fall this hard. So people must stay safe, man, and keep your family safe and yourself safe, and anybody in the circle, ensure them is okay, Yeah, man, watch the weather, my people. Watch the weather, because these rains falls always cause landslides and these type of things, natural disasters. People lose them house, people lose clothes, people lose a lot of things, man, because the place flood, land flood, my people. So don't just watch the weather, people. Stay tuned with the news. I don't know if the rain is in other countries or in other states, or it's just Jamaica alone. Even the lightning there, ooh, that lightning bright in my eyes a while ago. Lightning there does flash a while ago, people. So stay safe. Stay safe. Hear the thunder? People, thunderstorm here, my people. Thunderstorm is here. Here, my people. Thunderstorm is here, man. Some people wanna just go and stay safe and keep inside. Watch the other people and keep inside. If you not to go outside, don't go outside, because we have some terrible lightning. But I'm not sure if this rain is only for St. Thomas, and certain parishes in Jamaica, my people. So you can know in the comment section if you have a storm, a rainy storm day. See me like how me have a rainy day, we come like a storm, so I call it a rainy storm day. You see me? Yeah, people, so keep safe inside, man. We have a lot of terrible lightning, so keep safe, because we don't want nobody get struck by lightning, people. So my followers, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my YouTube page, my people. Yeah, my people, I give thanks to that, my people. Comment, my people. Share my YouTube page, my people. Tell a friend about my YouTube page, my people. Yeah, Brown Bars Vlogs here, my people. We have a terrible weather, my people. Terrible weather. It's nice to go and catch some crabs right now. It's the crab rain. Can catch some crab, but never prepare for the crab part at all, my people. So my people, just stay at home, stay safe with the family, man, and provide some nice warm meal. You can stay inside and eat something warm and nice, Drink a cup of coffee, a cup of chocolate tea, something with some fried dumplings and, something, my people. So just go and stay inside, my people, and keep safe, because the rain is on, my people. Yeah, my friend. Big up on yourself, man. Big up everybody. Big up my real friend, them, my supporters, my followers, my family. Big up everybody, man. Everybody me big up this morning, man. So who I go to work this morning, safe journey upon work, my people. Yeah, man. Who just stay home today? Just stay home and make the most of it. Live life and live life to the fullest. Live life to enjoy life. Yeah, my people. So just stay here, people, watching the rain and decide to make know where I go on, because I want the supporters and followers them keep safe out there in the world, Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, my people, man. Brown Bars Vlogs here, my people. Just I give you a warm shout out in the morning here, my people. We have some terrible rain, my people. So let me know which part the rain there, if I all over Jamaica, if I in the Caribbean, if I in the States. Yeah, my people. Leave a comment in the comment section, my people. Share up the YouTube page, my people. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Do the right thing, my people. Keep safe to all, man. Keep safe. See there? Rain is on, my people. We have a rainy day from about 3 days now. We have rain about 3 days now, non-stop, my people. So we don't go and watch the weather, my people, because we don't want anywhere flood out, or we don't want no heap of natural disaster. So people wanna go and stay safe with the family, or if you don't have a family wanna live alone, you go and stay safe alone, you know, and watch the news, keep updated with the weather channel so you can know what's taking place in the world, my people. Yeah, my people. So you have a great day, man. Love to you all, my people. One bone boss vlog here. Love to you all, my people. You stay safe, bless up on yourself, and have a great day, my people. I'm out. Look at that, my people, man. The rain is going on. Wicked, man. Thunderstorm here in Jamaica. Lightning, thunders, a lot of rainfall, my people. Look at that, man. The thunder is going on well, but me give thanks for the weather still, because the farm product can grow. You know, banana can grow, plant can grow. You see me at the Jamaica district here, my people. Look at the rain, man. The rain is going on. Crazy, man. Crazy, the rain is going on. Crazy. Yeah. Can't even go outside, my people. I stay inside, my people, and watch the rain. Yeah, my people. Want some lift up? Look at the camera. And Kaylee is here, you know, my people. Kaylee is here. Turn around, look at the rain. We're feeling the rain. We're having a rainy day. A lot of rain and thunder. Thunder. Yes, my people. So people want to stay safe and check in inside, you know. The weather pass over. Yeah, my people, let the weather pass over until you go outside and watch the rain, because these rains cause landslide and natural disaster, my people. So my people, safe, my people. Yeah, man, my people, safe, man. Taxi them at that time, I go down on the road, see you here. Even though the lightning are flash. A lot of lightning we have, my people. My daughter is here. Look at that, my people. Daughter. That is my daughter. Yeah, my people. See, Liana? Yeah. So people who go and stay tuned and watch the rain, watch the weather, watch the news, so you can know what's going on, keep updated in the world. Yeah, my people. That is it, man. The rain on the people. You know, here it is, the center of Jamaica here. Yeah, man. Rain, non-stop. Here it is, I tell you. All of the farm them in the area right now must be proud of this rain. Because them not water no crop right now. Crop it natural water, my people. So I just want to stay tuned, my people, and check in. Brown Boss vlogs out here, my people. I show you the what? The weather update. Yeah, man, because rain going on. Great, my people. So as I say, I just want everybody stay safe, nobody not get hurt or injured. There's Jamaica lightning kill a lot of people in the world. So we stay safe from lightning, my people. Watch the weather, watch the news, and stay inside. Later, my people, have a great day, have a blessed day.